Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a lipstick that promises to give you the perfect pop of color without weighing you down. If you've been searching for a vibrant, creamy lipstick that feels lightweight and delivers beautiful, long-lasting color, ZOYA's Izzy might be what you've been looking for. ZOYA's Izzy is a cream lipstick that boasts a rich, creamy texture, making it easy to apply and blend. Paraben-free, this lipstick is a great option for those who are mindful of the ingredients in their beauty products. The formula is designed to provide a smooth application without being overly heavy, offering a comfortable wear throughout the day. The finish is creamy, which gives your lips a soft, hydrated look without the shine of a gloss or the dryness of a matte finish. In terms of performance, I used the ZOYA Lipstick in Izzy across multiple days and in different environments, and I was genuinely impressed by how it held up. The color was vibrant from morning to night with minimal touch-ups needed. The texture felt lightweight on my lips, and even after wearing it for hours, my lips didn't feel dry or cracked, which is a huge plus for me. One of my favorite things about this lipstick is that it doesn't have that heavy, sticky feeling that some cream lipsticks tend to have. It's easy to wear throughout the day, whether you're at work or out for an evening event. Of course, there are always a couple of things to consider. While the color payoff is impressive, it does require careful application to avoid it feathering, especially if you have dry or chapped lips. It's also important to note that, while the lightweight texture is comfortable, it's not as long-lasting as a matte lipstick, so you might need to reapply after meals or long hours of wear. As for value for money, the ZOYA Lipstick in Izzy sits at a moderate price point, and I believe it offers solid quality given its creamy texture, rich color, and paraben-free formula. However, there are similar options out there in the same price range that could provide comparable wear without sacrificing on quality. If you're looking for a cream lipstick in the same price category, you might want to check out other brands that focus on lightweight formulas with a hydrating finish. In terms of packaging, the lipstick has a sleek design with sturdy construction, making it easy to carry around in your bag without worrying about damage. It feels luxurious in hand, and the bullet itself is well-shaped for precise application. Now, let's talk about how this product compares to others on the market. If you're a fan of creamy finishes, but want something that's slightly more long-lasting, you might also enjoy formulas from brands like Fenty Beauty or NARS, which offers similar pigmentation with a bit more staying power. With the ZOYA Lipstick in Izzy, I've definitely enjoyed the performance, and it's become a staple in my lipstick rotation. If you're someone who loves a creamy finish but doesn't want to sacrifice color payoff, this could be a great option for you. However, if you need something that lasts longer without reapplication, there are other formulas that might suit your needs better. So, does this lipstick live up to its claims? Yes, in terms of comfort and color payoff. It's perfect for those who love a lightweight cream formula, but aren't expecting the same longevity as a matte lipstick. If you're someone who enjoys applying lipstick throughout the day and loves a rich, smooth finish, you'll likely be very happy with Izzy. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've used ZOYA Lipstick in Izzy, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. As always, thank you for being here, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.